YouTube. This video is going to be a video on the Mint Chocolate eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. Makeup Revolution is a UK brand and a division of Tam Beauty. A lot of their products you can only purchase from tambeauty.com and they come overseas. Some of the items are now available on Ulta.com and in Ulta stores. This one is one of the newer palettes. It's still new to Ulta, so I wanted to do this video now that it's available, more available through Ulta.com, and I kind of wanted to compare it to this palette. People were saying that it was a dupe to the Subculture palette. I'm going to do some swatches and let you see what they look like and let you know if I think it's a dupe or not. This palette on Ulta is $15. This one, as we know, is $42. So if you want a more affordable version and sort of the same effect, I guess, you can try this one for yourself and see if you think that it's a close enough dupe. So I am going to pop right in, and a lot of people were saying also that these are kind of scented, and I do have to say there is a very vague mint scent to these, sort of along the lines of like the chocolate bar palettes from Too Faced, how they scented theirs. These that look like chocolate bars are semi-scented as well, but this is what the mint chocolate palette looks like. And I am going to open up the Subculture palette, and this is what, let me take the brush out. This is what the Subculture palette looks like. Right off the bat, looking at the two, there are some similarities in the two when you put them together. I am not quite convinced that they are complete dupes. I see sort of this color edge in the Subculture palette, this color, that mustardy color. Let's see if I can grab this. This mustardy color here is not in this palette. It's in this palette, but as sort of a more metallic shade. The shade Adorn, which is here, one of my favorite types of shades, is not in this palette at all. The shades that I do think might be sort of similar, the shade, and I will swatch the shade All Star here in the ABH palette. I will swatch quickly. This is the shade All Star, super pigmented. All of the shades in the ABH palette are super pigmented. And this one, and the names come on a sheet with the Mint Chocolate palette. The shade that I think is closest to Adorn is the shade Worlds Apart in this palette. Which is here, and we'll see how close. They are not even close. We can even try. Yeah, they sort of look alike in the pan, but the pigmentation is definitely not there. So if you see this shade here, even though I'm showing you on film, it's not that much alike, but this one and then that one there, not even close. We are going to try the shades Fudge in the ABH palette, which is here, and Secret in the Mint Chocolate palette, which is here. So I'll swatch Fudge first, and the ABH shadows are very, very creamy. And this is Secret, not even close. So this is Fudge from ABH, and this is Secret from the Mint Chocolate. That is the Makeup Revolution Mint Chocolate palette. Looks like this, pretty to look at, and some of the colors are nice and pigmented. This color here, which is Commotion, is a bit of a problem. this color here, which is sort of that blue brown color, the color Lust, is, you can see the blue brown here, but a bit of a problem, not much pigmentation. For $15, if you want to work with your eyeshadows, I would say it's worth it. For some of the crease colors, I would say it was worth it, but I would kind of want more bang for my buck. Not mad that I brought the palette, because I can definitely get some use out of it, but I'm a little bit disappointed in the shades that I kind of, this one and this one that I was kind of liking the most and wanted the most out of this palette. Anyway, that is it. I did use the palette today on my eyes, and I'm going to put like a quick demo right behind this and show you how I got the look, show you the difficulty I had in making these shadows work. Thank you all so much for watching, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup.